sheep or cheap, ship or chip. One small sound can completely change the meaning. Let's fix the SH and CH words together. So if people don't understand you when you speak English, pronunciation might be the reason. So today we're looking at sh and ch, SH and CH sounds, two very common problem sounds. Let's go. The sh sound, how it sounds. The SH sound is soft and long. Think sh, sh, sh. Example words: she, shop, shoes, fish, shower. Example sentences: she works in a busy shop. I need new shoes for work. The fish is very fresh. I take a shower in the morning. Please wash your hands. Remember, the sh is gentle and smooth. The ch sound. The ch sound is shorter and stronger. Think ch, ch, like a sudden explosion and then a stop, not a shh, air escaping from your tongue. Ch, ch, small, explosive, short. Example words: chair, chocolate, I love chocolate, cheap, teacher, watch. Example sentences: sit on that chair. I love dark chocolate. This phone was very cheap. Phones are never cheap. My teacher is very friendly. Yes, I am. I watch TV in the evening. Remember, ch sounds like a small explosion. SH and CH side by side. Listen to the differences. Ship, chip, sheep, cheap, wash, watch, shoe, chew, cash, catch. Sentence pairs. I'm on a ship. I'm eating a chip. The sheep are in the field. The shoes were cheap. Please wash your hands. I will watch a movie. I lost my shoe. The dog will chew my shoe. Listen carefully. They sound different and the meaning changes. Listen to how using the wrong sound can make a big mistake. I want to buy a sheep laptop. Sheep have laptops? I didn't think so. I want to buy a cheap laptop. I watched a chew last night. I watched a chew? I watched a show last night. Confusing these is very common. Don't worry. You'll get better. It's just practice. Look at the words on the screen. Repeat after me. Listen to how I pronounce it. Sheep, cheap, ship, chip, wash, watch, shoe, chew. If you can feel the difference in your mouth, you're doing it right. But it's just practice. Okay guys, a tip for you. If you're not sure which sound to use, just slow down. Clear speech is more important than fast speech. If you slow down but make a mistake, whether it's CH, SH, tense, pronunciation, N sounds, the listener will understand what you mean to say if you speak slowly enough. I hope you understand CH, ch, and SH, sh sounds and words. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe for more English pronunciation help. Comment below which sound is harder for you, SH or CH. We all struggle with our own differences. What ones do you struggle with? So, if you want to watch another video, I'll see you in this one over here. And thank you for watching all the way to the end, guys. See you later.